To fix an overhead door keyboard that's not working, several steps can be taken. Firstly, dead batteries may be the culprit, so replacing them with new ones is a good starting point. It's essential to check the manual to determine the specific battery type required. If replacing the batteries doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to inspect the wiring. This involves removing the back panel of the keyboard to check for any signs of damage or looseness in the wires. Any loose wires should be tightened, and damaged wires should be replaced with new ones. After inspecting and potentially repairing the wiring, the back cover can be reattached to the keyboard. If the keyboard still doesn't work, the issue may be due to an incorrect pin code. Ensuring the correct code is entered is crucial, and if the code has been forgotten, it will need to be reset. Resetting the code involves pressing the Learn button on the opener and then entering the new code. By following these steps, an overhead door keyboard that's not working can be easily fixed.